Thunderstorm warning for northeastern Berks County and eastern Pennsylvania, Lehigh County and eastern Pennsylvania. This includes the city of Allentown, southern Northampton County, and eastern in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Berks County and eastern Pennsylvania, Lehigh County and eastern Pennsylvania. This includes the city of Allentown, southern Northampton County and eastern Pennsylvania. This includes the city of Easton, northwestern Hunterdon County and northwest New Jersey, southwestern Warren County and northwest New Jersey, northwestern Bucks County and southeast Pennsylvania until 4 p.m. At 3:10 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. 40 p.m. This is the line extending from Beersville to to Kutztown, along the line extending from 12 miles northwest of Easton to 10 miles southeast of Lehigh to 15 miles north of Reading, and moving east at 25 miles per hour. Severe thunderstorms will be near Coffeetown, Bosville, and Lyons around 3:20 p.m. Belfast, Tupton, Northampton, and Nazareth around 3:25 p.m. Chatham around 3:30 p.m. Ancient Oaks around 3:35 p.m. Allentown around 3:40 p.m. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, prepare immediately for damaging winds, large hail, and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. People outside should move to a shelter, preferably inside a strong building, but away from all counties. In New Jersey, 101. Frequent cloud-to-ground lightning occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Wednesday evening for northern Delaware and northeastern Maryland and New Jersey and eastern Pennsylvania. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey, Hunterdon and Warren, and the following counties in Pennsylvania.